Looks like we are live now. Guys, welcome. My name is Shrey. You are watching Shrey TV, baby. What are we going to do today? Today, we are going to see when will we get our beautiful alt season. Okay, let's see. Wait for a couple of people and we'll start the analysis. Let's get into the market. What's happening? Okay, what's pumping? Cosmos, no wonder. Yeah. Enzyme, Solana, DeFi money. YFI, man, has been lagging so behind. This is DeFi money, but it's part of Yearn. Yep. Tezos is another laggard. People who are in Tezos, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, XRP have been waiting for 3 years, guys. 3-4 years. And it's a long wait. But that wait, you know, you'll have to wait a little longer. I'll explain everything what happens in Altseason today in detail, okay? In detail. So, let's see who's in the chat. Guys, let me know if you are in the chat, okay? And I'll be going in detail Altseason. We'll do altcoin analysis. We'll go through altcoin dominance. And, yep, I have everything lined up here. Can you hear me clearly? Just let me know if you're not able to hear me. You know, just give me a heads up. Just do 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2. Are we on? Are we on? Or am I talking to myself? Okay, I'll go ahead with the video. Right, let's look at the altcoin dominance right now. We are at 57%. So this is the Bitcoin dominance chart inverted, right? But you can find this if you look up on charts.cointrader.pro. Just mention altcoin market cap / dominance. If you just mention altcoin market cap, you should have 3-4 options, and this is one of them. So this is the altcoin domination, right? It's easier to chart this, right? So let's chart the altcoin dominance first, right? How the dominance is going and where we are heading. Sunny Abrams can hear. Okay, loud and clear. Tilak Patel, awesome, awesome, perfect. That's good. That's good. 1 2 1 2. Okay, let's see. So I'll show you the pattern, right? How the altcoins, cryptos, and all the assets go in a pattern, work in a pattern. So let me show you. So this is the altcoin domination, right? And this was the first cycle, guys, right? After the first cycle, this was the big second cycle, right? Let's So, second cycle top, I should say. Easier to understand, okay? So we are in the third cycle. So we are repeating the trend with teeny mini bumps. Right? Looks like a ward. Like, come on, after all this, we're getting this? It's a joke, right? Look at the altcoins. Right. Bitcoin thinks Bitcoin is a king. Right. See what happens later. Okay. So this is the third big bad boy. Right. 1, 2, and a 3. Right. Okay. All right. So we got the big bad boy here. Cycle. Right. Huge alt season. Why, I'll tell you, and when. So here, this is Bitcoin dominance. Okay. When does Bitcoin dominance drop? When it drops, we get this huge alt season, right? Look at this. Perfect. Perfect. So this is the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, we are already here. See? So, what's happening right now? So, the altcoin dominance, we've been in downtrend. As you can see below this line, this is the first time we went over and we came back for a retest, right? This is the retest for dominance, right? When we crashed here in December, like massive crash. We went up, and now this, let's enlarge it so you're able to see it properly. This was the previous cycle. 1, 2, and we get a big bad boy, right? And then we go get a down leg, right? So, same thing. We get 1, 2, and a 3. Let's be conservative and see. Bitcoin dominance, I believe will drop to 90%. That's being conservative, here. Altcoin dominance will increase dramatically, but this is in 2022. It'll start to go up March, April, May, June, July. Right, that's what I believe. So we still have room. This arc looks tight. So I believe, let's do a weekly arc. Right. I'll go through the altcoin market cap with this, so you'll understand it better. Midnight Aspects. Hi, Shrey. How are you, brother? Jaya. Hey, Shrey. What's happening, brother? Cook. Purple. Yeah. Okay. So, let me tell you my bias. Why I am leaning towards this. So if you notice, we get the third little, this thing in between two, right? So I believe this is the third one that we're gonna get here. This bad boy. It's gonna go down, baby. It's gonna go down. Right. So we are here. We'll go up, and then we go down. Okay. So this arc is ready. So I'll compare this with the altcoin total market cap of altcoins, right? Here's the total market cap of altcoins. Let's chart this properly so you get a better picture, right? Again, we go in 3 bursts in this. Guys who are new here, my name is Shrey. I go live every day. You're watching Shrey TV, baby. I have to do that so that you remember. My name is Shrey. Okay, guys, this is lots of, looking at different cycles and coming out with the theory. This is my own theory, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm a nerd kind of junkie, who keeps looking at these charts every day. And you will see the pattern. You will see the pattern. Give me a minute. So I'll show you where we are in the cycle right now. This is the previous alt cycle. Okay, this was the 2013-14 top, right? And then after that, consolidation all these years, and then we get a huge cycle in 2018-17. We get a big bad boy, right? Why I believe the real alt season will be in 2022, not now. We'll get the pump that you're looking for. Cryptos will pump, but not that massive. It won't be massive. Okay, you see this? A big bad boy first, then a small one, small, and a bigger one, and a bigger one, right? So we get the first big bad boy here. This is the new cycle. The cycle starts here, right? And then a little smaller one, then another smaller one. And now we get this. The altcoin market cap may reach $2.3 trillion, right? We may hit here and pause, and everyone will be like, oh, we're gonna be $6 or $8 trillion, right? So we may hit here and stop, and then consolidate, and then we get this biggest alt season of all time. that lasts for a few months. Here, I'll show you why. The market cap will go somewhere around at the top of the cycle. It may reach $6 to $8 trillion. Yani Baba Trushanla, Shrey TV baby, yes. Shrey equals intellectual guy. Thank you, brother. So if a dumb person just looks at the chart every day, right? That's what his whole life is about. Eat food and look at charts. He'll get better too. So, I have, academically, I'm above average, right? You can call me average. I never liked studying, but I used to always pass in okay grades, right? But I finished my post-graduation. But education don't mean nothing to me. It's just depends on what you're good at, right? Do you feel the pattern? You see this? It's the same scenario is going to happen here. We are going to go up and then go down. The alts are going to go up to $2.2 trillion and then retrace 50%. So we'll go up here. Let me enlarge the chart so you get a better idea. Right, we'll go up here, 2.2 trillion, and then retrace 30-40%. I would say 30-40%. So 30-40 retracement in alts, depending on what alt you are, all your gains will be gone. Like here, we retraced 50-60%, right? This retracement was 61%, right? So all your gains, a lot of people got in here, they bought here, all the gains are gone, right? We are back here. So same thing, we'll go up here in October, right? And then give people who bought here, all those gains will be given back to the market right here. We'll have, I believe, 40% drop, but it won't be a sudden drop like this, not like in 2 weeks we are down 50%. No, not like that. We'll have a gradual drop like this. We go up like that, October, November, and then go touch back here, go, and we'll stay close to this line and then drag on this line for a long time, right? In March or April we may start going up, right? Get a huge alt season up here, and go back down, go back up, and this is when I believe most alts will flourish, in this area right here. So the Bitcoin dominance is the same thing, right? The Bitcoin dominance by 25th of October should be somewhere around here, 30%. 30% Bitcoin dominance. Right. After that, Bitcoin dominance, goes up, altcoin dominance goes down, and we go down. Right. But that's how I see. But what's coming next is going to be huge. Guys, crypto market cap. See this? Follow this trend line. I believe at the top of the cycle, we can, you know, it always pushes. So it could be $7 to $8 trillion easily. Let's not be too optimistic, right? And cut it down here. But I still believe it's going to go up. Where are we right now? 1.3, 1.4 trillion, right? Go up to 2 trillion, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. This is, let's just be conservative. But man, the chart says so. This is almost, it's ridiculous. It's if you go according to this chart, then it's almost $30 trillion market cap in 2022. That's the altcoin market cap. Altcoin goes crazy here. When everyone thinks that, okay, alt season's over, we hit a bear market, like here, everyone's like thinking, okay, altcoins are dead. Now we are retracement, you know, we'll have retracement 70, 80%. So everyone gets out of the market right here, right? And then in March, April, May, June, we do this. Why? See, I'll explain you. There is meaning to my madness, right? First, big cycle. Second, smaller. Third, even smaller, right? And then the fourth one is a little bigger, right? And then we get the big bad boy, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the cycle starts here. 1, 2, 3, and we are about to finish the fourth one. And then after that, we get the big bad boy. Fifth one, right? A new cycle starts here, right? It starts here. Then we start retracement. And then 2023. Even the bottom of 2023 looks like we are way ahead. So people who sold here in this area, right? This will be just a 40% retracement. So yeah, it's a loss, right? If you want to cash out here, you can. But imagine cashing out here, right? Imagine cashing out here. That'll be crazy. Crazy, crazy. And I believe it's coming. 11,000 cryptocurrencies, guys, and we have not even $2 trillion, you know, in altcoins. Altcoin market cap is very, very little. We are very early, you know. And whosoever is saying that, I do not believe that, you know, this will be dead, you know. Do you think we are going down from here like this? Like that? To, you know, what, 125 trillion? You know, 80% down from here? %80 retracement from here. Alts usually retrace 90%. So 165 billion, that's where we are going? No. No way. Alright, so if you talk about retracement from here, 80% retracement, $70, 80% retracement. Yeah. You know, that's doable. See this? How much it retraced from previous highs. From previous highs, we retraced 91%. All right. Alts retraced 91%. So I believe this will be the previous and will retrace 90%. Go down. Yeah. But that's how I think market's going to play out. So if you see the dominance, what does the dominance say? Bitcoin and altcoin dominance. Again, you get the three, one, two, and the third big boy, right? In between, we get this small little one, little arc, right? So here we got one, two, and the third one, big bad boy, third one. In that third arc, we have a smaller arc, which is where we are right now. We are here. We are here. We are here in the cycle. So we'll go up. The dominance, will go up right here to almost 70%, I feel. It can go up to 70%. Yeah. Bitcoin dominance can shoot up to 70%. Here. Like that. This is the Bitcoin altcoin market cap dominance, right? So we can be somewhere around 70% right here, mid of October. Sammy Abrams, how will this affect the crypto? You think there's a risk of stock market correction? Raj Patel, can you please explain why so much money could be added to altcoins? Because altcoin, brother, they will be, Bitcoin is store of value. Altcoins are the ones who will be shaping the future of this world. Everything will be on blockchain. Every single thing that you can imagine. Blockchain is the third layer of internet. We had the browser first, the black, when you went in 1990s, try to learn computers, there was just a black screen. It was DOS, DOS. We have to type DOS commands. Guys who are younger, like 20, 25, you have not seen this. But we had this computer with a black screen. And if you wanted to communicate, we had DOS command. And there was just black screen. This was the UI, just black screen. So we had to type commands to pass through a message. Then after that, we became the browsers, right? The Internet Explorer came out, Chrome came out, Safari, all these browsers came out, right? Which gave you a UI. When you got a UI, you're able to see things better than the .coms, all these websites. There were probably 200 websites in 1990s, like maybe 1,000 websites, not more than that, in 90s. And after that, the internet boom came over, and now we have, thousands and millions of websites. So the whole platform is now intact, right? The e-commerce and everything. You see how Amazon and Facebook, social media, everyone have these phones. So the infrastructure is there now by pushing a button, right? So now we have the third layer of internet, that's blockchain, securing the whole thing and decentralizing everything. Right now, few people have power. Google, Microsoft, Facebook, all these people, all these companies, corporations have a lot of power, right? So they can ban you if they don't like something what you say. Government have a lot of power. But cryptocurrencies, I don't like the word currencies. Blockchain, these are financial tech companies which are going to change the world. For example, Ethereum. 90% of the ecosystem is built on Ethereum right now, right? So Ethereum is like, I believe, it's just like the iOS system for Mac, right? For your iPhone, you have an iOS system, and all the apps are built on iOS. And for there are other platforms like Android for Samsung or any other phone, right? Android system from Google, and all the apps are built on that. That could be Cardano, right? I'm just giving you an example. So these are the platforms where everything else will be built on, right? So there won't be just one platform. BlackBerry had its own system where things were developed, but right now we just have two main, iOS and we have the Android. So Nokia, there was Nokia, but there were so many phones before. They used to have their own operating system, but right now there are just two dominant ones, right? So we will have Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Zilliqa, Atom. There are so many platforms right now building. Hey, build apps on us, build dApps on us, right? Everyone's giving incentive. HBAR gave $5 billion in incentives to get people to build on their blockchain right now, right? So that will happen. There'll be competition to build dApps. dApps is just like, it's called decentralized apps, right? So the whole internet will be built on a blockchain, the third layer. That's why altcoins will flourish. All this money, stocks, tokenization of stocks, securities, index systems, banks, everything will be on blockchain. So to use that, to make it work on a blockchain, they have to use these currencies. Like they have to buy Ethereum, right? They have to buy Cardano, right? To get this thing going. And this is just drop in a bucket. What we have here, this market cap is like peanuts, guys. We are looking at daily price action. People who really gonna make money is, who don't sell for, I would say, 5-6 years. It goes down 90%, let it go down, But, I have a lot of money, in it. So I'm going to take profits, which I believe this will be the area, right? And then I'll come back here. It's a huge risk, but, I'll be taking because I have some things that I just don't want any stress. When you don't have any stress, my goal is to pay off every single damn thing that I have no bills, right? And then put all my money, everything that I have, leave it in cryptos for another till 2027, right? 2027 or 2030. I would say let's look at the chart and we'll decide when. So until here, at least here, till 2022, right here. This is after that, I believe the market will stabilize. We'll get another cycle, right? And this is when I will get back into the market. This is when I would cash out here. I would pull some money out here, get back in here, and cash out 80% here. That is May, June, July, August. This is when I'm thinking of cashing out. Again, guys, this is my plan. You do you, I do me, okay? But I'll be cashing out here mid of October, end of October, because I believe 30-40%. I'll be set here. If I just 2x, 3x from here, man, I am set, right? So this thing here, man, there are coins like Dragon Chain, VIDT, all these coins. VIDT will be like $70, $80 around here. Dragon Chain somewhere around $7, $8 here. $8. Right now it's in probably 20 cents, right? And $8. Dragon Chain here. So it's just 1 year, man. Not even 1 year. So huge. Rajan Patel, UI user interface. Yes. Loving the charting, mate. Simon, how are you, brother? Simon. Rajan, thanks for the explanation. Shrey TV. Sure, brother. Anytime. So the whole internet will be built on these blockchains. So most important are these first layer platforms, where everything will be built on Cardano, Solana, Ethereum. Then we have Tezos, EOS, right? Stellar is a system, Theta. So which blockchain is going to win? Right now Ethereum has the first mover's advantage because it was the first blockchain which came out with smart contracts, right? So we have to see, right? Which one I hedge my bets, right? I have money in Zilliqa, I have money in Cardano. I keep, these are the platforms where everything will be built on, right? I have some Solana. So depends, I'm not going to sell everything that I have. 30%, that is for my kids and their kids and their kids. I'll have so much money, man. What are you going to do with that? Just leave it for your, kids and for future generations so that, you have Lord Shrey written behind you, right? Lord Shrey. Sir Shrey, blah, blah, blah. That'll happen, yeah. But this is when it'll happen here. So, what's everyone saying? FGL, BCH, 644. Okay, 2%, man, that's a measly move. Dude, that's nothing. BCH, I believe, by, this, by here, I think BCH will be somewhere around $20,000 right here. But again, I am nobody, guys. So this is just my way of looking at things, and I could be totally wrong and totally screw up everything, but I do not believe anyone in blockchain. If you stay in, you cannot go wrong. Your timing can be wrong, right? But if I don't sell 30% of my portfolio, I will never get wrong. Never ever, because blockchain is the future. This thing crashes 90%, then it'll go up, 2,000%, 3,000, 4,000, 10,000% up. So I have studied the cryptos that I'm into, and I'm very confident of their future. BCH gang, baby, BCH. Yeah, I love BCH. It's the future of money, future of transaction. Okay, let's go deep dive in this, right? So we went down and did the retest here, right? And then we started going up. Look here. How far this thing lasted. Went down. Right, this was the third one. Okay, this seems better. Yeah. So big boy, smaller baby, even smaller, and then we get, and we go up, right? That's how I believe it's going to work out. And yeah, it's here we'll get this arc. How are we going to go up? I'll show you. From here. So it won't be a drastic move down for altcoins. It'll be gradual moving, and then there'll be this boring period here where everyone gets tired, bored. Like you go down, like we all have been waiting for so long for the alt season, and they will bring it so close to us and take it away. Like, bringing a cupcake to your mouth and like taking it away. So yeah, here everyone will think I'm gonna eat this cake, and gone, right? So yeah, all the profits, because people will be waiting for the pump. Yeah, my crypto is gonna pump. It will pump, but you're expecting a 5x, but you'll get a 2x. And you will not cash out because 2x is not enough, right? So they will take that 2x back from you, almost. So you'll be stuck here again, holding bags right here, and then after that we get this pump, right? So do you invest in Wall Street stocks? No, brother, I'm 100% in crypto, 100% in crypto. But once I cash out, I will be putting a lot of money in emerging markets. Emerging markets, that is, somewhere in Asia. So I believe the emerging markets, that's the future. Where those companies, like Amazon here, there are companies in China, there are companies in India, which are huge. India has a 1.4 billion population. And these companies have been there since 70, 80 years, where Facebook is investing, Amazon is investing, right, in these companies. So if they're investing, I'll be investing. So Reliance Corporation is one of the biggest companies, guys, and once they are listed on Nasdaq, it's not listed on Nasdaq right now. So I think they have an ETF in which you have Reliance, but I have I'll be having my own stockbroker's account in India separate, and I'll be able to buy. So yeah, I'll be buying a lot of stocks from India, China, Vietnam, all these countries, even countries like Brazil has a huge population and huge infrastructure. They produce a lot. So yeah, I'm very bullish on Russia as well. Russia will do really well. So companies in Russia. So yeah, I will diversify. I will not have everything in crypto. I mean, something I believe in AI. AI will be huge in the future. So artificial intelligence, stocks in artificial intelligence, and what else? I had 2-3 things in my mind. A lot of producers. I feel the next cycle will be a commodity cycle. Right now, there was this tech boom, so we will have this tech boom, but commodities are so expensive now, right? Because of inflation, food, sugar, anything related to food will be high. Copper, metals, silver, all that will be expensive in the future. So it'll be good to invest in silver mining stocks, some gold mining stocks, uranium. You need energy, right? Electricity. So yeah, I'll be diversifying in a lot of different assets. I'll have a very diverse portfolio. I'll buy some land in a third world country because that'll appreciate. You have to have a holding power. I believe this is crypto, but somebody can take away your crypto, right? Nobody's gonna take away your land, right? So buy land, give it to a farmer. They will farm, and yeah, that's the idea. Buy some real estate. Nobody can take that away from you, right? And diversify in different countries. Don't leave it in just one country. Diversify stocks, land, real estate, everything in different parts of the world, not just in one country. If you have a second plan B, if you want to get out, you get out. If they charge me capital gains here 50-60%, I wouldn't be staying here. My ass will be out. So there are so many, the world is a beautiful place, man. I have traveled a lot, and yeah, you can go anywhere. So yeah, I like it. I grew up in a third world country, so it's no big deal for me. I get nice beach, water, blue skies, and I'm happy. I'm very, I've done everything, man. Majority of things in life, which a person can imagine, right? But yeah, so I'm very, I can be very happy. Easy to keep me happy. And M1K, a lot of people here watch your videos. FGL, yes, brother. Please, bro, turn on the translate box. I live in Argentina. FGL. Okay, I will do that. Next time I'll go in the edit and watch. Okay. Hail Lord Stray. Yeah, man, it'll be awesome, right? You can buy a piece of land in Scotland and have a word Lord in front of you. There was a commercial which came out. You can buy a piece of farmland in Scotland and have Lord. So if I make filthy money, like crazy money, filthy money, I believe anything above $20 million is filthy money. Right, so you do that and you buy a piece of land. Put Lord everywhere. I'll be like, Lord, motherfucker. Lord in the house. Okay, guys, let me know if any coins that you want me to chart. I'll chart it for you. But this was the Altseason analysis, right? We are looking. The market cap looks huge, guys. So I'm excited. And it's going to be a crazy ride, roller coaster ride, so pump, dump, and it'll be a long wait, guys. That's the only thing. It'll be a boring market. Everyone will get bored, get out of the market. They'll be like, fuck with this crypto shit. I want to get out, right? And once they're out, they will start pumping here, right? So you know, I mean, everyone have like, I'll be cashing out for reasons here, you know, where I want to pay off certain things, but you know, this 2022 will be the best alt season of all times, I believe. You see this? That's what's coming. We are here. I'll show you where are we in this alt season. We are right here. This is that. You feeling me? Right here. We are here in the cycle, in the alt season, right? And then we go down. We go down, and this will be the boring phase. Like, we hit here in October, end of October, we go up here. And then the down leg. And then the boring period, like 4 months of, 3-4 months of boring period. So this is where I believe we go up here and then go down, and boring period until here, until March, really boring period, and then we start going up, right? So yeah, that's my plan, guys. What are you saying, brother? Cook, what are you saying? Eater stink. I don't know. Is that a crypto project that you're talking about? EENTER. Oh, interesting. Okay, you're saying interesting. Okay, the spelling was a little different. Yeah. So, okay, guys. Looks like Museb Mansuri wants Theta, Vito, XVG, Gani Baba. Hey, Bebo. Sorry, guys, if I didn't look at your comments. I was charting, so I was a little engrossed. But a lot of people here. Okay. All right. So I guess you don't have any coins, right? BCH gang. All right. I'll. This is enough. I don't want this video to be too long because this is a very important video. I think one of my most important videos so far. You have to understand the altcoin dominance and the altcoin market cap, right? How and where we will be going, right? So, guys, you know, I'm not God. I could be wrong. This is just a theory. I came out with my own theory, right? I came out with my own chart. I haven't seen this anywhere. This is my thing. You know, it's just, look at the cycle. Big cycle here, like, and then a small one, a baby one, and then we get a bigger one, and 2 big boys, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That's the final leg. That's the 5th leg. I wouldn't be able to put this chart, guys. You know, it's good that don't forward this video to a lot of people, right? If everyone knows, and these things get viral very quickly, right? And I have my own trading plan, right? I only want few people to know this. The more people know, you know, they start thinking, right? It's good not not a lot of people are thinking, and you know, I want to empty my bags here, right? When they FOMO, right? When everyone thinks, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, right? So this thing is gonna be massive, guys. Look, 45, 50 trillion. This it's crazy. Yeah, but this is what's coming, guys. So be prepared. I will always have some, you know, of my capital in crypto. I will not cash out 100%. But this is enough, guys. Have a nice weekend and a good Saturday. I'm going to drink some wine, relax a little bit. I'm not worried about where we are going. We are going to the moon, baby, moon. So by end of October, mid to end of October, we should be up. Nothing to worry here. Okay, I'll sign it off, guys. If you like the content, make sure to push that like button, guys. This is a lot of research, a lot of focusing, right? Push that like button. Make sure you write the comment there, right? Whatever you want. So next time I know what you're looking for. If it could be the schedule for my live stream, what time is good for you, right? I'm trying to still figure out what time I should go live. And subscribe. These people who subscribe, I go live every day. Will be updated every day. This information is very crucial, right? What's happening, when to get out, when to get in, right? So again, this is what I'm doing. I'm posting my personal trading plan on this channel. This will be my, how shall I say, journal, right? So this is my journal. This is my journey 10 years back. Looking at this, you'll be like laughing about it, right? So yeah. So this is my journal, and I want to, if you appreciate what I do, just make sure push that like, subscribe, helps the channel, right? I want to do something good in my life, and this is my way of giving back to people. All right, guys, take care. Have a nice weekend. Signing off.